Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. The ongoing program with the IMF is experiencing a temporary pause as the fund considers the parameters and implications of the government's growth push. Full stop. A number of factors have contributed to the pause. Full stop. Pakistan announced suspension of some of the actions agreed when the program parameters were reworked in March this year, including steep hikes in electricity tariffs in two steps. Full stop. In addition, the federal budget deviated from the path of fiscal consolidation set under the fund program as it sought to break free from austerity strictures and transition to higher growth. Full stop. New paragraph. As a result, even with its somewhat leap of faith assumptions on the revenue side, the budget aims for a fiscal deficit of 6.3% of GDP against the reworked target of 5.5% under the IMF program. Full stop. More relevant, the budgeted primary balance is a deficit of 0.7% of GDP versus the 0.3% surplus envisaged under the IMF program's latest targets. Full stop. Hence, all other things unchanged, the budgeted overall fiscal deficit is 0.8% of GDP over and above the agreed target with the IMF, while the primary balance is 1% of GDP adrift. Full stop. New paragraph. The difference between the budgetary stance and the IMF program targets becomes wider if the underlying assumptions are made more realistic. Full stop. On the revenue side, budgeted FBR tax collection of rupees 5800 billion rests on new measures yielding rupees 260 billion and enforcement measures contributing a further rupees 240 billion on top of the approximately rupees 5300 billion expected to be yielded by a combination of economic growth as well as inflation. Full stop. New paragraph. Revenue yield from enforcement measures has always proven to be elusive. Full stop. Even in the case of the target under this head in the current budget, it has been reported that FBR has expressed reservations about achieving the coverage of point of sale machines and the resultant revenue collection that has been assumed. Full stop. A significant slippage can be expected under this head. Full stop. With regard to the new measures, some of these have been rolled back under pressure from the affected industry or from parliament members. Full stop. Hence, some degree of shortfall appears likely under this head too, unless offsetting measures are introduced. Full stop.